I'm Gary Lara, School Principal 2 of Boston Central Elementary School, Boston, Davao Oriental. First of all, we are very lucky to be the first of the typhoon affected areas to have this finished product of the DPWH, which is the 7 classrooms. So far, maganda yung pagkagawa, maayos, nasa the program of works is implemented. Una, malaking pasalamat kay Pangulong Pinoy na talagang nag-set siya ng isang government na malinis, nasa tuwid na daan. Kaya siguro nag-graduate ito kahit sa mga department, sa Department of Education. Thank you na natapos din yung building, tsaka sa suporta na kahit si Secretary Luistro pumunta talaga dito noong January 3 to attend our flag raising ceremony. And then sa Secretary ng DPWH, kay Secretary Singson, thank you very much. Especially kina RD Alquiza, na nandito talaga nung mag-turnover yung building. And then kay DE Caballero, na alam ko proud din na natapos yung building in time. So thank you to them.